Directionally Challenged Hiker here with not a hiking video. I am back at this point in time, the house property with no name. And a while back did some cleanup and rehung some insulation up here because some owls had gotten in. Yeah, it's open up there. Anyway, we kind of neglected the property again, and the owls moved back in, and after the owls, pigeons. And I will say pigeons are by far worse than owls. So I am going to be actually getting rid of any insulation that is downed at this point, and again beginning the cleanup process up here. So I'm going to set it to time lapse for that. So yeah, but how I am spending my Monday, the end of January, my husband will be outside closing that off, at least with chicken wire for now. So yeah, all right, need to get cleaning up. Here it is, Monday, January 31st, and I am finally sitting down to edit this footage and turn it into a video. I took this footage on Monday, January 24th, and watched it a few times now, and it is really interesting seeing myself do cleanup in time-lapse mode. I mean, I'm moving so much faster, and it's looking way easier than it actually was. Okay, cleaning up insulation isn't difficult, but it does require some effort to stuff it into those trash bags. I think I averaged about 3 pieces of insulation per bag, and they were 33-gallon outdoor trash bags. There was also the creepy crawly aspect of everything. I mean, besides what the birds did up there, there were lots of spiders and some other bugs that I came across. And being the desert of Arizona, we have things like black widows and brown recluse. Okay, here I am on the front half, and I can't stand here, so I decided that it would be much easier just to pitch it through the partial wall to the other side where I could stand up and stuff it into the trash bags. Yeah, back to the spiders. I did see several spiders. I, was trying to be really careful not to touch any of them, but yeah, I was just a little bit creeped out. Once I get all these bagged up, I have to shove them down through the rafters, and it's going to be really funny watching it in the time-lapse mode. It makes it look like they just pop right through, and it required some effort to kind of squeeze and push them through the rafters because, they're big, poofy bags of insulation, and the rafters are, I'm not sure exactly, 15 on center or something like that. Directionally Challenged Hiker back here in the video that is not about hiking. I got the insulation that was down out. I bagged it up, pushed it down through the rafters this morning, and I'll be taking most of it to the dump tomorrow. It didn't all fit in the pickup truck, so that'll go to the dump tomorrow. But I'm going to start with just some sweeping up the big pieces that aren't big insulation pieces, and we will go from there. So gonna put it back on time lapse and have at it for a little while. As you watch me sweep in this video, I will tell you how my Monday morning began today. It began with Mom, and yeah, when I hear the word Mom, it is never a good thing. So yeah, our one cat, Nico,
he likes to go outside, and our son gets up, lets him out in the morning, feeds our other little cat Parker, and then she usually goes out and joins him. And I guess Nico came in the back door. You know, we have a doggy door. We used to have a dog, and you know, cats use the dog door, and went to our son's bedroom, and you know, he didn't seem to think anything was wrong at first. So then Nico proceeded to like walk the length of the house, and when he walks, you know, he kind of twitches his tail, flicks his tail, whatever. Well, it seems Nico's tail was stuck between another cat's teeth before he came back into the house. So I get out of my bedroom and, you know, respond to the mom, and it looks like part of a horror movie in our hallway. And, you know, our son's bedroom door, you know, because Nico was flicking and twitching his tail. And as he was flicking and twitching his tail, he was flicking and, you know, flicking blood all over. So we got a hold of him and wiped it off a little bit, and wasn't bleeding too bad. So I wrapped some gauze around it, put a little piece of tape on it, and he didn't seem to mind that too much. But then he walked by me and, you know, rubbed his tail along my chair, and the bandage came right off. But anyway, his tail seems fine, but he's going to be inside for today.
All right, back to the video of the house with no name. I finished sweeping out a lot of the loose stuff. There's definitely more work to do up here. We need to re-insulate, but I got, I think, the big messy stuff done. I will be planning on breaking out my sander and sanding up the stuff on the floor that needs to come up. But anyway, I'm going to back us into a corner here, and as you can see, I think I made some progress today. It's about 3:45 p.m. right now, and I'm going to take those couple bags of trash down, and then I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll start a little bit of sanding. If I do that, I will throw this back on time lapse. But yeah, for now, I definitely made some progress today. I am itchy, and I've seen several critters up here, lots of creepy spiders. So another thing that we'll do is we got some of those bug bomb things. We're gonna set some of those off just to, you know, eliminate some of those spiders and other creepy crawlies that thought they could move in. But anyway, this might be it for today. Until next time, Directionally Challenged Hiker on the Not Hiking video.